Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a hair tutorial on how I draw straight hair, curly hair, and an afro kind of hairstyle. The reason of this video, and I thought it was the perfect timing to post this video, is because we just hit 5,000 subscribers, which is crazy awesome. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, let's just start with the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make a point right in the middle of the head, above the forehead, and this is going to help you separate the hair. This also helps you to draw bangs and other pieces on like other strands of hair, and it obviously depends on what kind of reference you're using, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I also draw the bangs. And another important thing to know is that it also depends on what direction you're going to draw the hair, like if there's wind affecting it or not, but I'm just going to be showing you guys how to draw straight hair. So you're going to start off with these two pieces. Like I said, you're going to separate the hair, and these are going to be the bangs, two curved lines going down. And another thing to know is that everyone has their own style, and mine is more like a cartoony one. People usually do natural hair with lots of details, and people usually also do very cartoony hair, just like a blob. Mine is in between. So yeah, everyone has their own way of drawing hair. So I'm going to be also making two like pieces of hair on the sides. I just think that looks really cute, and it depends if you want to add them or not. That's totally up to you. So now where we made that point, we're going to take that above and we're going to make the hair shape with that. It separates the hair, like I said, and it's very important. Everyone has this, so yeah. And the thing with straight hair is that it doesn't show lots of volume. It may have lots of volume, but it doesn't really show because it's just straight. There's no like curves to it. And I always try my best to make sure that it looks like it has volume. It's not just like thin hair. So I like to add some poofs to it, especially at the end, but again, this is just your preference. As you can see, I separated the hair at the back as well, so I'm going to go ahead and shade the parts that are more deep in the hair, I guess. I also gave her this hairpiece at the top, but that's your preference. So now we're going to start with the curly hair. Curly hair is definitely much more difficult in my opinion, so I try my best to make it like in one blob and not as detailed as the straight hair, but obviously we know that's not how the curly hair works, so I'm going to teach you guys a stylized version of how I draw curly hair and an easier version for you guys. Obviously it depends if your drawing has bangs or side hair, but this is what I like to do. So like the first drawing, we're going to make a point over here. For the hairline, you're going to go ahead and take it up, like separate the hair pieces, and then go ahead and make these curvy little shapes. You can be as free as you want. There's no limit of how many curves you want to give it. Just go ahead and be free. If you want, you can give bigger curls. If you want, you can give more detailed, defined curls, whatever you like. You're going to go ahead and make the top piece. So after you make the base, we're going to go ahead and add more detailed little hair pieces just to make it look more curly. Right now it looks pretty wavy but not really curly, so we're going to go ahead and try our best to make that as curly as possible. Just going to make little squiggles in the hair. over here where there's like the darker parts of the hair, go ahead and also make those curly, but just more pressure to the pencil. I forgot to mention it in the video, but now you're going to go ahead and go over those curls and make them darker. And that is how I draw curly hair. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the afro type of hair. This is the most easy in my opinion, and it's really fun to do as well. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to separate the hairline like I said the times before. This is very important to separate the hair pieces. And now you're going to go ahead and draw like these curvy type of blobs. I don't know how to explain it well, but it's basically a simplified version of this with no detail. Depends if you want to give it side hair or not, like little strands of hair. I prefer doing that. Here you just make some curves. It's really fun and really easy. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the afro type of hair. I like to erase some of the messy lines. And yeah, that is it for the afro type of hair. I really hope you guys benefited from this hair tutorial. I'm not the best at explaining things, but I hope this helped you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye.